chopper rescue. Ready for our first rescue, Squidgy?
I'm ready, Rescue Pilot Justin. Okay, hang in there, Mr. Moose.
Now let's get you back to solid ground.
Great rescue, Justin.
Phew! Rescuing is hard work.
No! Moo Bear!
Moo Bear! I can't reach him.
Is Moo Bear stuck?
Don't worry, Squidgy. I'll get him out of there.
Do you need help, Justin?
It's okay, Squidgy. I've got it. I can rescue anyone, anytime, anywhere.
Can you rescue a kitten from a tree?
Who's better than me?
A pretty bird in a little nest?
I'm better than the best.
A baby goat on the tallest hill?
If no one can, you know I will.
Wow! Do you like my rescue helicopter?
Olive!
Hi, Justin. Hey, Squidgy. Welcome to Northern Canada.
Are you a rescue pilot, Olive?
I am.
Can you fly those helicopters?
Yep. We don't have any roads or runways around here, so I fly a helicopter instead of a plane. I can't keep up with all the rescue calls by myself. I could really use some help.
Well, Justin's the best rescue pilot around.
I am.
That's an emergency call. Come on. Justin, Olive and Squidgy's Air Rescue Service, we are ready to fly. We'll be right there. Over and out. Kaya the husky pup is stranded on Mount Flattop. I'm so busy today. If I go rescue that pup, I might miss another emergency call.
Rescue pilot Justin reporting for duty.
And rescue co-pilot Squidgy.
Great. You two can do this rescue. I'll stay here and give you directions over the radio. Just let me know if you need any help.
Thanks, Olive, but I won't need any help. I'm the best rescue pilot in the whole world!
Can you hear me, Justin?
Loud and clear, Olive.
Great.
Is your seatbelt buckled?
Check.
Engine on?
Engine on.
Then you are clear for takeoff.
There's no room to take off, Justin.
No problemo, Squidgy. With the helicopter, there's always room.
That's right. Helicopters can fly straight up.
Like this. Let's go find Kaya! Coming up on Mount Flattop.
Hang on, Kaya! We're coming to get you! Where do we land, Justin?
No problemo. Going down.
Aw, hi, Kaya.
Come on, girl. Kaya, safe and sound, Olive.
Great. Now let's get her home.
You bet. Up we go.
Good girl. I'll make sure Kaya gets back to her owner. Nice rescue, you two.
We want to go again.
Yeah, rescuing is fun.
We have another rescue mission. Lumberjack Bill forgot his lunch.
That is an emergency.
Nobody wants to see a hungry lumberjack.
Luckily, I have a spare right here.
Let's go, Squidgy.
Good luck.
And let me know if you need any help.
Thanks, Olive. I'll be okay.
To the rescue!
Look, Squidgy. That smoke must be coming from the lumberjack's cabin. But there's nowhere to land.
That's right. You'll need to use the winch to lower the lunchbox to the lumberjack.
Use the lunch to lower the winch box with the, Oh, okay.
Lunchbox in position, Olive. Going down.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
Olive, the lunchbox is delivered.
Great job, Justin and Squidgy. But I just got another call about a really big rescue.
A baby seal is stuck on an ice floe drifting out to sea.
Sounds like another job for rescue pilot Justin.
This one is going to be tricky and dangerous.
I've been making rescues all day. How hard can it be?
Okay, but let me know if you need any help.
Thanks, Olive.
We're coming, baby seal!
Whoa, look at those huge pieces of ice.
Those are ice floes. The seal is stuck on one of them.
I'll keep an eye out for him. Justin, I think I see the seal pup.
Going in for a closer look. We've come to rescue you, little pup.
Do you have enough room to land, Justin?
No problemo, Squidgy.
You did it!
Great landing, Justin.
Thanks, Olive. I'm going to rescue the baby seal.
Be careful. Ice floes can break up very easily.
No worries, Olive. I've got this. Come on, little guy. It's okay.
He's too scared.
I guess I'll have to go get him.
Careful where you step, Justin. One wrong move and the ice can crack.
No worries. I've got this. Yikes!
Justin, the ice is cracking!
Oh,
Oh no, oh no!
Justin, are you okay?
no problemo.
Justin!
Squidgy!
Justin!
Justin, can you hear me? Justin, come in. What's going on? Can you hear me, Justin?
Olive! Justin's stuck in the ice floe with the baby seal!
Don't worry, Squidgy. Just stay right there.
I'll rescue you, Justin! Let's see now. What if I just push Just a second, Justin! I've almost got it!
Don't worry, Squidgy. I'll think of something. I hope.
Hang on, Justin!
I guess I really should have asked for help this time. What is that?
Justin, are you okay?
Olive! I am now that you're here.
But Justin, I can't land. The ice flow's too small.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry, Justin! All I can do is winch!
Wait, that's it. The winch. Olive, fly over and get Squidgy's winch line. Then bring it to me. Squidgy, you can tow my ice floe back to you.
Great idea, Justin.
We're coming to get you!
Here it comes, Squidgy.
Got it! Good to go, Olive. Take it to Justin.
Okay, Justin, I'm on my way.
Almost. Got it. Okay, Squidgy, pull us in.
Pulling away! It's working!
Yes. Time to go, little guy.
Oh, you're welcome. But it was Justin who really saved you.
No, Squidgy. I couldn't have done it without you and Olive. You're the best co-pilot in the whole world.
Aw, Justin.
Squidgy, I need you to pull back on that lever.
This one? Okay.
Okay, Olive, let's head back to base.
Race you there. On your mark.
Get set,
Go!
All right, little guy. You should be safe here. There's no ice floes around.
Bye-bye, little seal.
That was a tricky rescue, Justin.
Sorry you had to rescue me, too.
That's okay. It's what I do.
Next time, I'll know when to ask for help.
Justin!
That's Mom. Time to go. Bye, Olive.
Bye, Justin. See you later, Squidgy.
Rescuing Moo Moo Bear is going to be really hard. I'm going to need your help, Co-Pilot Squidgy.
Co-pilot Squidgy reporting for duty.
Hold on. It's going to be a tight squeeze.
Keep lowering. Lower. Yep, lower. Oh, you're safe with us, Moo Moo Bear. Bring us up, Rescue Pilot Justin.
Okay, Squidgy. Going up.
You did it, Justin! You saved Moo Moo Bear!
We did it, Squidgy. I couldn't have done it without you.
What's that, Moo Moo Bear? Oh, you're very welcome. It's what we do. To the rescue!
And then the firefighters put the fire out and rescued the entire town. The end.
Wow! Firefighters are real heroes!
We should be firefighters. Then we could be heroes too.
Okay. Well, who are we gonna rescue?
I know. I'll go ask Mom if she needs to be rescued. Hey, Mom. I'm a firefighter. Do you need to be rescued?
Not really. But you could help me water the garden.
Mom, I mean like a big rescue. Like putting out a fire.
Oh, I see. Well, there aren't any fires to put out, but I'll let you know if I see any.
Okay, thanks.
So does your mom need our help?
Nope, and it doesn't look like anyone around here needs to be rescued. That's it, Squidgy. Let's go to the fire station. Vroom, vroom. Hop on, Squidgy.
Oh, I'll turn on the siren.
Huh? Whoa!
Olive!
Hi, Justin. Hi, Squidgy. Welcome to San Francisco Fire Station number 1.
Whoa! What a cool siren!
What a cool fire truck. Thanks. I need them both to be a firefighter. Can we be firefighters too? Sure. Follow me into the firehouse. To be a firefighter, you always need to be ready. Ready for a big rescue. Big or small, we are ready to rescue them all. But first we'll need to put on our... Ready! Perfect. You've got your fire helmets. Now follow me. I'm going to show you the most important tool in the firehouse.
A phone?
Right. When the phone rings, it tells us where our next rescue is. It's rescue time, Squidgy! A call! San Francisco Fire Station. We'll be right there. Come on, someone needs our help. We'll take the fastest way down.
A fireball!
Whee! Whee! I'll drive. I'll ride on the back.
I'll crank the siren!
Good and loud, Squidgy. To the rescue! Squidgy! We're on our way to a really big rescue! Hang on! It's rescue time! Hey, where's the smoke?
Yeah, where's the fire?
I thought we were going on a really big rescue.
What? Oh, that's terrible! She says her ducklings are trapped.
There's the problem. The pond is all dried up. I know. We can fill up the pond with the fire hose. Good idea, Justin.
Don't worry, we'll save your ducklings.
Squidgy, no! Look out! Whoa!
I got it! Justin, help! Help!
I'll save you, Squidgy!
Yep, those are some lucky duckies.
That was fun, but it wasn't a really big rescue. Let's get back to the station and see if we get any more calls for help.
Yeah, let's go. Bye-bye, duckies.
Hey guys, do you want to play a game while we wait for the next call? Sure, how about checkers?
Checkers, I love checkers. I'm red.
Okay, Squidgy, it's your move.
Another call!
I bet this time it's a really big rescue. San Francisco Fire Station. We'll be right there. Let's go. Someone else needs our help.
This is it, Squidgy! This one's a really big rescue! I can feel it!
The biggest rescue ever! What's wrong, little girl?
Cuddles.
Oh, I like cuddles too. Ugh.
Squidgy, this is Susie. And Cuddles is Susie's cat.
Oh, Cuddles!
He's stuck in that tree. Cuddles. Don't worry, Susie. We'll get Cuddles down for you. He's pretty high up. We'll have to use the ladder. Here, Cuddles. Come on, kitty. Cuddles? I need to be a little higher. Okay, hold on. How's that? A little higher. More. Perfect. Cuddles!
Aw, Cuddles is so cuddly.
Good work, team. Yeah, helping ducks and kittens is great, but I want to go on a big rescue and be a real hero. Sometimes it's a big rescue, sometimes it's a not-so-big rescue. Let's get back to the station. Bye, Susie. Bye, Cuddles. Bye. Thank you.
It's rescue time!
San Francisco Fire Station. There's smoke coming from Granny Lombard's house. They said to hurry.
This is it, Justin!
To the fire pole! Look, Squidgy! Smoke! This time it's a really big rescue for sure. I hope Granny Lombard is okay. Hold on, everybody! Okay, team. This is it. Time to be heroes. Granny Lombard, are you okay?
Olive, you're here, and it's so swell that you brought some of your friends. Hacha, 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 cha. Hacha, 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 cha.
But there's smoke coming from your backyard.
Why, of course there is. It's my 100th birthday.
The smoke is coming from your birthday cake.
Hey, the duckies are here!
And Susie and Cuddles, too. It's everyone we rescued today. Cuddles! My hero. Oh, thanks.
Well, it seems you helped out a whole bunch of people. That makes you heroes in my books, too.
Well, we did make a lot of little rescues, but we didn't get to do a really big rescue.
You mean a fire? I do have a cake with 100 candles on it. I could use some help blowing them all out.
Go for it, Justin.
Justin, can I put out this one?
Go for it, Squidgy.
You did it! Oh, boy! Cha, 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 cha. Justin!
Come on, Squidgy. Mom needs our help. Bye, Olive. Bye, everyone. Bye, Goodbye, Justin. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Squidgy, I bet Mom's flowers need our help.
Right. I'll get the hose ready.
Hey, Mom. I'm here to rescue your flowers.
Why, thank you, Justin. They could use some water.
Firefighter Justin to the rescue!
My hero.
Pit crew hullabaloo! Come on, Squidgy. The race is about to start.
Yeah, let's go.
Drivers, start your engines.
Vroom.
On your mark, get set. Hey! Aw, flat tire.
I think this car might need to see a doctor. Maybe your dad can help fix it.
Nah, I don't need any help. It's not that flat. We can still win the race. Come on, Squidgy, let's go. Whoa!
Wowie, wow, wow!
This has to be the coolest place ever.
It is.
Olive!
Hi, Justin. Hi, Squidgy. Welcome to England. You're at Brooklyn Speedway.
Whoa! Look at him go!
He's practicing for the big race that's about to start.
Is that the fastest car, Olive?
Maybe, but my car's pretty fast too.
No way. Is that your car, Olive?
It is. I'm a mechanic. That's like a doctor for cars.
Cool, a car doctor. Who's the driver?
I'll drive your car.
Yeah, Justin's the best driver ever.
Perfect. Now all we need is a name.
Let's call it Blue Lightning.
Blue Lightning. Nice. Oh, can I ride with Justin? I can honk the horn. I'm so good at honking. Listen. Honk, honk.
Squidgy's a really good honker.
Sorry, Squidgy. A race car only has room for the driver. Why don't you be in the pit crew with me?
Sure. What's a pit crew?
A pit crew helps keep a race car in tip-top shape.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Can I use a horn?
You bet. Here.
I'm in the pit crew.
And I get to drive Blue Lightning. Nice.
Okay, Justin. Come out of the garage. That's it. Keep it coming. And
Now, Squidgy.
stop.
Blue Lightning sounds great, Olive.
It sure does. But you have to make sure you make pit stops during the race to keep it that way.
What's a pit stop?
A pit stop is when you come back here during the race to keep your car in tip-top shape. Justin, when you hear Squidgy's horn, it's time for a pit stop.
It sounds like this.
I'll hold up a sign to show you why you're stopping. This one means time to stop for gas. This one means time to stop for oil. And this one means time to stop for new tires. Right. So when you hear that and see a sign, just come over to the pit lane and pull into our blue garage.
Got it.
Drivers, please make your way to the starting line. The race will commence momentarily.
I better get going. Wish me luck.
Good luck, Justin.
Thanks, pit crew.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Brooklands racetrack. Today's racers are Red Storm, Yellow Hornet, and Blue Lightning. Drivers, start your engines. Ready, set, go!
Yeehaw! Go Blue Lightning.
Excuse me,
pit stop. Fill her up, Squidgy.
Right!
Are you thirsty, Justin? No time now, Olive. I've got to get back out there. Don't worry. The other drivers all have to make pit stops, too. Every car needs gas.
Okay, all filled up and ready to go.
Thanks, pit crew. You're the best. Woohoo! They'll never catch me.
Pip, Pip, on your side.
On me!
Wow, those were quick pit stops.
Excuse me.
Coming through! After a jolly good pit stop, everyone's back in the race. Red Storm is now in the lead with Yellow Hornet close behind and Blue Lightning pulling up the rear.
Look out! Coming through! Excuse me!
Well done, sir!
Thank you very much. And now it's time to move into first place. Hello, I'd like to pass you, please.
Sorry, young chap. I'm still in the lead.
Not for long. Coming through.
Jolly good show.
Woohoo! I did it!
Justin and Blue Lightning have taken the lead again.
Yeah!
Excuse me, sir.
We'd like to pass.
Try and pass me if you can.
Not a problem.
Whoa! Nice move!
Yellow Hornet is making a pit stop for oil.
Yes! Here's my chance to take the lead. I need a pit stop too? Not now. Hurry, pit crew! I need to get back out there. Don't worry. Red Storm will need an oil change too.
Cheerio.
Oil, please.
Oil.
The race is back on. It looks like Red Storm has taken the lead once again.
But not for long. Coming through.
Justin and Blue Lightning close the gap. It's just Red Storm between them and victory. What a brilliant race.
Huh? A tire pit stop? No way. Can't stop now. I need to get back in the lead. But Justin,
Oh, not good.
I hope his tires are okay.
It's a rollicking good race at the Brooklyn Speedway. And here comes Justin and Blue Lightning looking to take the lead.
Excuse me. Coming up on your side. Wow! My tire.
Oh no! Blue Lightning lost a tire.
Blimey! Hard luck, chappie.
Justin might just be out of this race.
Sorry.
Now I'll never win the race. I guess I did need that pit stop. Huh? Don't worry, Justin. Your trusty pit crew's here to help.
Yeah, let's get Blue Lightning back to the pit stop.
New tires are good. You're ready to go. Sorry, pit crew. I should have let you change the tires before. That's okay. The race isn't over yet. Great! I need your help so I can win this race. Squidgy, how's the gas?
Gas is A-OK.
Olive, how's the oil? Oil is good. Blue Lightning is in tip-top shape. Looks like we've got some catching up to do. But you're good to go, Justin. Thanks, pit crew! You're the best!
Blue Lightning bolts out of the pit stop. Ladies and gentlemen, this race is not over yet.
Pardon me, coming through.
No problem. Cheerio.
Go, Justin, go!
Red Storm keeps the lead. Hang on. Blue Lightning is now in the lead. No, it's Red Storm. Now it's Blue Lightning.
Justin.
Excellent race, young chap.
Jolly good show.
I couldn't have done it without my helpful pit crew. And we couldn't have done it without our amazing driver.
Justin!
That's my dad. We'd better go. Bye, Olive. Bye, everyone. Thanks for everything.
Bye, Olive.
Bye, Justin. Bye, Squidgy.
Cheerio.
Ta-ta!
That tire is really flat.
Mm-hmm.
I think Dad should be part of my pit crew. Hey, Dad! Can you help me fix my pedal car? It has a flat tire.
No problem, Justin. I can fix that for you. There. You're all set. Have fun.
Thanks, Dad. Ready to go, Squidgy?
Ready to go.
Drivers, start your engines. Jungle Jam.
Ready for takeoff, Commander Justin?
Roger that, Squidgy. Here it comes.
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Where'd the plane go?
Hey, there it is. Oh, but why is it so tiny?
That's a real plane, Squidgy. It's really high up in the sky.
Wow!
Wouldn't it be great if we could fly in a real plane?
Yeah!
Hey! Someone just jumped out! Hi, Justin. Hi, Squidgy.
Olive!
Welcome to Africa!
Wow!
This is my ranger station. My job is to rescue animals in trouble. Do you use airplanes to look for animals in trouble? Not just airplanes. The jungle is really big, so I need to use all kinds of vehicles to get around. Like my Jeep. Follow me.
A Jeep?
Wow, I've always wanted to ride in a Jeep. Can we come rescue animals with you? Of course. Hello, Mr. Monkey. This is Kima. He likes to visit me at the ranger station.
Hi, Kima. We're gonna rescue some animals. Wanna come with us? What's wrong, Kima? What? A baby giraffe? In trouble? A baby giraffe needs our help. And he's down at the river.
I'll have a look. Well, there's the river, but I can't see anything. We're too far away. We need to get closer. Good idea, Justin. We'll use my Jeep. I'll drive, and I'll keep an eye out for the giraffe.
I'll take care of Kima.
To the rescue! Do you see anything yet, Justin? I see the river, but no baby giraffe. Let's keep going. You got it. Whee! Well, we're at the river now, but I don't see any giraffe.
Okay, so where's the baby giraffe, Kima? He doesn't remember this part of the river.
This jungle is so thick. I can't see the rest of the river from here. What do you think, Olive? Hang on. The river's just too twisty.
He said he's going higher up the tree for a better look.
Did you see anything, Kima?
No, he didn't see the giraffe.
Well, we can't see the giraffe from here or my ranger station. Then we need to get even higher.
If only we could fly, Justin.
Squidgy, that's it! We can fly! We can use my rescue plane!
What?
Can you fly the plane, Justin? I can be the lookout. Sure, Olive. Let's go! Nice takeoff, Justin. Thanks. This is fun. Wow. Things really do look different from up here.
Kima says he sees his friends.
Those monkeys are so cute. Justin, watch out! Whoa! Hang on, everybody! Nice flying, Justin. Thanks. Now we just have to find that giraffe.
Kima says he's right down there.
Yes! I see him. Looks like he's stuck on that little island.
Hello, baby giraffe. Hang on, little giraffe. We're coming to rescue you.
Going in for a landing. Hang on, everybody. Don't worry, baby giraffe. We're coming. How did you get there anyway?
He said he walked over some rocks, but now they're gone. Hey, here's a rock. Moving rock?
Moving rocks? I've never seen that before. I wonder what's making them move. I'm going in for a closer look. Squidgy, that's not a rock. That's a hippo!
Oh, hello, Mr. Hippo.
So the baby giraffe didn't walk across rocks. He walked across hippos. But there's only one hippo. Where are the others? I can't see any other hippos from here. We need to get higher up for a better look. Good idea, Justin. But how? Hey, I think they want us to climb on. Perfect. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Giraffe. Wow, we can see everything from up here.
Hi, Justin.
Olive, look! There's something in the water. You're right. I think that's another hippo. And there's even more of them. Squidgy, we need Mr. Hippo's help.
Mr. Hippo, can you ask your friends to come out of the water?
Justin, look at those bubbles. The hippos are talking to each other.
Look, Kima, we can get to the island now. Yay! Going up.
Yay!
Aw, that's so cute.
The baby is back with his mommy and daddy. Thanks for helping with the animal rescue. It was fun, Olive. Wasn't it cool the way we looked at things in different ways?
Oh, yeah! We saw things from way up high when we were in Olive's plane.
And then you found the hippos underwater.
Plus, we got a better look at the river thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Giraffe.
Justin!
That's my mom calling. We'd better get back. See you!
Bye!
Goodbye, Justin. Bye, Squidgy.
Bye! We've got to find that plane, Squidgy.
But Justin, we looked everywhere. Down in the grass, in the flowers.
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Aha! There it is.
You found it!
I just had to look for it in a different way. All right, Squidgy. I'm going to shake the branch. Ready? Yes! We got
Way
it!
to go!
Yeah! Wait right here. I'll go get the controller. Ready for takeoff, Pilot Squidgy?
Ready for action, Commander Justin. Whoa!
Look at it go!
Yukon Dawn!
Got it!
Oh, nice jump, Justin!
Thanks, Squidgy.
Throw it high so I can jump too!
Okay, here it comes.
Oh
Uh-oh. Our super saucer went into Mr. Manning's yard.
no! Oh no! Can you see it?
Yeah. But I can't reach it.
So how are we gonna get it?
Well, there is a gate, but I'm not supposed to open it without asking for Mr. Manning's permission first.
Oh.
Maybe if we opened it just a crack.
Wow!
Hi, Olive.
Hi, Justin. Hi, Squidgy.
Is that a super saucer?
No, it's a gold pan. I'm a prospector, and this is my ranch. Welcome to the Yukon.
Hey, Olive, what's a prospector do?
A prospector is someone who looks for gold. Sometimes I pan for gold in the river, and sometimes I dig for it in my gold mine. But I haven't found anything yet.
Don't worry, Olive. Squidgy and I are good at finding things. We'll help you find some gold.
Yeah, gold! What does it look like?
It's a sparkly yellow rock that's really pretty.
Ooh, sounds nice. Is this gold?
No, Squidgy, that's just a regular rock. You won't find gold just lying around. That's what these pans are for. Here's how it works. You take your pan and scoop up some rocks from the river. Then you swirl it around and watch for anything shiny.
I see something yellow and sparkly. Oh, it's me.
Why don't you let me give it a try?
Sure, Justin. Maybe you'll have better luck.
Like this, Olive?
That's right. Now swirl it around. See anything?
Nothing.
Hey, I think I see something over here. Toss me the pan, Justin.
Okay.
Ah!
It went over to Yukon Dawn's side.
Who's Yukon Dawn?
She's my neighbor and a prospector like me.
Let's see if we can get it. I can see it.
Can you reach it?
No, but if we open this gate...
Justin, we can't.
Why?
Because we always ask permission. That's the prospector's golden rule.
Don't worry, Olive. I won't open it all the way. Just a little tiny bit.
Well, I guess that would be okay.
Great! Got it! Now we can get back to finding gold.
Let's try a little further down the stream.
Lucky? Lucky! Where are you?
Yukon Dawn, is everything okay?
Well, howdy, Olive.
Howdy, Yukon Dawn. I'd like you to meet my friends, Justin and Squidgy.
Howdy, neighbors. Any friend of Olive's is a friend of mine.
Howdy, Yukon Dawn.
Have you seen Lucky, my dog? I can't seem to find him anywheres.
No, we haven't. Sorry, Yukon Dawn.
I've checked all over my side. May I come over to your side and have a look?
Of course. Thanks for asking first.
Well, that is the prospector's golden rule. Always ask permission. Well, I just love what you done to the place, Olive.
Thanks, Yukon Dawn.
Now, I wonder where my dog Lucky's gone off to.
Don't worry, Yukon Dawn. We'll help you find Lucky.
Yeah! What does he look like?
Well, he's so big and cuddly, and he has the purtiest golden fur.
Golden fur?
Yes, Squidgy. Lucky's a golden retriever.
Well, he sure is. And whoo-wee, he's got a real knack for finding gold.
Yukon Dawn? Let's look around. I'm sure we'll find him. Lucky!
Lucky!
Here, boy!
Lucky! Lucky! Look! Paw prints.
Well, I'll be hornswoggled. You're right.
Lucky must have wandered down into the gold mine.
Oh, Lucky, we're coming to get you!
Hang on, Squidgy. If we're going to go into the mine, we need to wear helmets to be safe. And we'll move faster if we take my cart.
I want to ride up front with Justin.
Justin, you guys found the paw prints, so you can drive. Really? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your arms and legs inside the cart at all times. Keep your headlights on. And enjoy the ride! Whoa! This place is awesome! Slow down, Justin. We need to keep an eye out for Lucky.
I'll try hollering again. Lucky!
Did you hear that? Somebody else is looking for Lucky, too!
It's only an echo, Squidgy.
Lucky!
Hold on tight. We're about to go down Prospector's Hill. Everybody ready?
I can't look!
Here we go! We're almost at the bottom, Justin. Get ready to brake. All set?
Whoa! Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
That was the best ride ever! Can we do it again?
Not now, Squidgy. We've got to find Lucky. There sure are a lot of tunnels. He could have gone down any one of them. I'll look for more paw prints.
And I'll try hollering some more. Yoo-hoo, Lucky!
He's that way.
No, he's that way.
That barking could have come from anywhere.
Look! Somebody's been digging a hole!
That's one of Lucky's holes for sure.
Look! Here's another hole.
And another!
So, where's Lucky?
Lucky! There you are, boy!
You really had us worried. Hi, Lucky.
Come on, Lucky. Time to go home. up, folks. Looks like Lucky's found something.
He's found something in that hole. Gold! Lucky found gold!
Yeah! What'd I tell you? Lucky is the luckiest golden retriever ever. Thanks for helping me find Lucky. I don't know how he got out of my yard.
Oh. I think I know. Yukon Don, I'm really sorry, but I opened your gate to get my pan.
You did?
Yeah, and I guess I didn't close it all the way.
Huh. Well, y'all admitted your mistake and everything turned out fine. Just next time, be sure to follow the prospector's golden rule.
Always ask permission.
You got it. Now you're a real prospector and a good neighbor to boot.
Justin!
We gotta go. Bye, Olive. Bye, Yukon Don.
Bye, Lucky.
Bye. So long, neighbors.
See you.
Are we going to go in?
We can't, Squidgy. We need to always ask permission. Excuse me, Mr. Manning?
Hey, is that you, Justin?
My super saucer flew over to your backyard. May I please come and get it?
Why, sure you can. Thanks for asking first.
Got it. Thanks, Mr. Manning.
Thanks, Justin.
Go long!
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa,